So not much needed to install our charging port wrap. You need the squeegee, and there's actually a wipe included in the pack as well. And then we're going to try and do this on a fairly temperate day or in a garage where it's a little bit cooler, so 60 to 70 Fahrenheit or 16 to 21 Celsius. This just prevents the film from being too stretchy when you're applying it. And then we're going to score this a 2, pretty straightforward, 2 or 3 minutes and you should have this done.
Hey, this is Pete. Today we're going to do a quick video showing you how to install the charging port wrap for your Model 3. Here we are at the charging port in the Model 3. We're going to press it to open it up. So the key thing to remember here, two key things. One, we need to make this nice and clean. So we're going to do that real quick. And then the other thing, when I'm unpacking this, is that the T logo is going to be our reference point when we're doing the installation. It's cut pretty precise on the vinyl, so we're going to pay a lot of attention to this. But when the car shuts itself down after the charging port has been open for about a minute or so, that light will go out. So just be prepared for that and kind of be ready to either hold the door open or unlock the car again, just so it doesn't screw up your installation. So we're just giving this a wipe over. This is pretty clean anyway, but if you live in a colder area where there's ice and snow and salt on the road, then give that an extra clean. We're going to install the white carbon fibre one today, just because it shows up best on video. So your 2 points of reference, as I said, were the logo and the bottom part of the hinge opening as well. So grab your squeegee and gently peel off the vinyl. Just be careful on that top edge, just because there's a cut there, so mind you don't rip it or tear it. As I said, the thing we're looking for here is alignment with the logo, and then just hooking that around the hinge as well there. I'll go back to that in a second. But you really want to get that pretty good, and then look along here as well. So you want this straight, you want the two corners. See, that's a lot of fun. So the light's gone out now, but we're good because we had that already lined up. So I'm just going to kind of look over the top of this here. Okay, so all the alignment around here looks good. It's good on this corner, so we know that we're in about the right spot. So now we're just going to kind of put a little bit of pressure on this. It's about 60 degrees here at the moment, which is a great temperature to be installing vinyl. It stops it from stretching too much, and you need to be careful of that just because of the big opening. It will stretch if you let it. Just going to work our way along the top there a little bit. Okay, now we're going to grab the squeegee and use that to apply the rest of it. Again, just kind of apply some gentle pressure. We don't want to stretch the vinyl as we're laying it down, otherwise it will start to gather up at the bottom of the charging hole. And then generally with any vinyl application, you kind of want to work from the centre down and out. Okay, and just work all the way around with the squeegee. Even though it looks like it's stuck, you still want to make sure you use a squeegee everywhere, just because any trapped air will bubble up when the weather gets warmer or cooler, when there's a temperature change. So you want to make sure you get it all over. And that's it. That's the installation of the charging port wrap for your Model 3.